So now that's like 6 months down the line, eh? So agĩgĩũka tukiaragia ngĩona nĩ arenda kũmenya details o ũguo, but so one thing led to another. Eventually Mwangi comes along. I remember I was not ready for this because I had not anticipated. Me, I'll be very honest. We actually agreed this did not happen. It was not supposed to happen. It did not happen. I was living alone, so it was not supposed to happen. As we were just good friends and colleagues. So I remember that morning, I decided to take care. To take precautions. We are not in a relationship. And then I'm also afraid it may happen again. So I decided to take medication. Then, unfortunately, fortunately, let me say the word is fortunate. The cure through ovulation. Nyamushire kuruga shiruga kanike kidede yoshi mwagiwe hada mwagine hada naugane ni degoko na ndarīhagwo mamdi ha I'm here. So at the time tutiari clear, we were not permanent employees. So we are still on contracts. So guy you do dinner stress. I was not exactly in a relationship. What will happen? What do I do? Do I raise this? Do I keep this child? Then I'm like, I do the wīra in it. Then I'm like, I don't know how to confirm. We had just done an interview, by the way. Luckily, confirmation. Then the child took time to a response.